Umgwaqo uD3936 ohlanganisa igodi ezintathu kanye nomgwaqo omkhulu R40 usesimweni esibi kakhulu. Imvula ezinamandla sezwenze wababucayi kakhulu kunakuqala emva kokugugulwa ngamanzi. Lo mgwaqo unemigodi eminingi engabangela nabashayeli ingozi zomgwaqo.
Protesting about the issue of service delivery regarding the road. I think SABC, when you're moving around, you were busy capturing this story. You saw how critical this road the way it is. Ever since the rain, there was a rain that has fallen, the road then became bad, and then our families are struggling actually to go to work. Some of the ambulance, they are struggling. If we're having funerals, then we have to take the coffin by our own hands.
Izikole ezakhiwe kule ndawo sekuphele amasonto amathathu zivaliwe njengoba imigwaqo igugulekile kulandela imvula ezinamandla. Khona manje uhulumeni wesifundazwe uthi awunayo imali eyanele yokulungisa yonke ingqalasizinda.
The department is aware of the challenges regarding the road infrastructure in the province. We have been experiencing a lot of rainfall in the previous month. However, I must indicate that in that area we will be sending our team to go and do the blading and regraveling of that road. On Thursday we will be sending another grader. We are aware as a department that there's that challenge of road infrastructure in the province. We are reprioritizing the list of the road to be reconstructed in the next financial year, which starts on the 1st of April in this year.
Uhulumeni wesifundazwe uthi unethemba ukuthi unyaka omusha wemali uzozixazulula zonke lezi inkinga.